custom 350Z taillights. So this is our first set of illumaesthetic 350Z taillights, and they really weren't too bad compared to building these. These are the hardest set I've ever built. As you can see, it's a two-piece kit, so one goes in the bottom half and the other one goes in the top half. To get that top to fit, you do have to do some trimming and some plastic welding, but it's definitely not as much as the Subi hatch lights. And I just wanted to show you how they light up and how they work. The parking light is definitely my favorite. Oh, that's so good. We're running everything off of a Corso motion module. That's how I was able to get the parking light effect like that, which also means that it has a sequential turn signal. The 350Zs have a turn signal in the bumper, so I feel really comfortable having this turn signal up here as well, because the bottom bumper will be brighter for the daytime turn signal. And we've got our brake lights right there. Nice and bright. Nothing too exciting about that.